if you have ever wondered if you can withdraw profits from demo, this is the video for you. All right, before we begin, guys, please make sure you like, please make sure you subscribe and watch until the end. Now, this week as I was doing my research, I came across a certain video whereby they were saying that the Deriv site that they have, as you all know, nowadays there are so many Deriv sites, especially when you go to TikTok, okay, where many traders have their private sites where people can trade on. Where people can trade on. Now, he was saying that in his site, you can actually trade in demo, all right, and then make your profits in demo. As you all know, there is a way. Okay, let me show you. Like, let me do one random trade right here. All right, let me just do one very random trade, and let me stake high. All right, let me stake high. Okay, very high. All right, I want to show you. It was very interesting. Okay, so when you come here, let me set to. All right, let me set to over under. Let me do over one. A run of $1,000. Okay, this is demo account. Okay, that is what I'm showing you here. Let me do. Let me set let's prediction to one tick over. All right. Okay, that's a loss. That's the good thing about demo. You don't have to worry. Just press again. All right. Now that's a win. Let me do another one. Now, this trader was claiming that in his site, you can actually, you see the way I've traded and I've made this profit, you can actually be trading like this, but now the twist is you can be able to withdraw the profits that you make from your demo account. And that was very intriguing because I was like, oh, is it actually possible? All right? Because it can actually be very good if you can be trading in demo and withdrawing your profits. All right? So I did my research further and I came to my conclusion. All right. And before I tell you my conclusion, let's speak about one thing first. A demo account, first of all, is virtual money. It is not real money. It is virtual money. All right. So let's get one thing clear. All right. Now, Deriv gives you this money so that you can practice and trade with it. All right. Now, first of all, the balance that you see on demo is virtual. It's not real. Okay? So you coming and telling me that I can trade with virtual money and make real money, it's actually very wrong. Okay? Guys, the money in your demo account is primarily there for you to practice, trade, and test yourself as a trader. But you cannot withdraw any profit. You cannot withdraw the money in the demo account because it is not real money. So please get that clear and get it clearly. You will never and can never. These sites that are telling you that you can withdraw money in demo and then telling you to pay or telling you to do something that will cost you, please stop. All right? The money in demo is there for you to practice. So use it wisely, practice with it, but don't have any idea that you can withdraw it. All right? Yeah, guys. So as traders, let us be clever. Let us be careful because people are out here to get your money and get it in any way they can. So you have to be very smart in the way you handle them. Okay? So my conclusion was that it was all our hot air. There is nothing like withdrawing anything from demo. Demo money is not real money, and therefore you cannot withdraw something that does not exist. Okay? Yeah. So be careful when you trade. Just trade as you save up. Don't start with an extremely low capital because it will be extremely hard for you to grow it. Just practice as you save, and then the day you start trading, you will be happy with yourself. All right. So guys, if you need online classes, if you need materials, trading materials, 100 bots, 100 documents, I'll give it to them to you very affordably, as this is the aim of this channel, to make sure every trader has the trading material and the trading skills they need without incurring any significant cost. Alright guys, thank you very much for watching this video. Please make sure you subscribe. Please make sure you like if you have enjoyed this video, and please share to anyone who you know is trading in Deriv so that they get notified of this and they do not fall into this trap. Otherwise guys, thank you very much for watching this video guys, and good luck.